What up, though? It's your brother Jay Israel, and I'm back with another video. Got something real special for y'all today. This video I'm actually, I guess you can say, is dedicated to anybody that might have recently purchased also a Jeep Wrangler. And maybe you don't know how to use the 2H, 4H, and 4L feature. And that's exactly what this video is going to be. If first time to my channel, go ahead to subscribe, notification bell. That way you stay in the loop with all my videos. And let's go ahead and get right to it. So like I said, if you recently purchased a brand new Jeep Wrangler, or not necessarily brand new, but if you purchased a Jeep Wrangler, if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be pretty standard that it comes with a 2H, 4H, and 4L feature. And I'm going to show y'all actually how to activate those. What I'm talking about is this right here. 2H, 4H, and 4L. And it'll also pop up right there. So pretty much what these features are, you want to use these strictly based on weather conditions, or maybe if you like into mudding or going off-roading and stuff like that, then those features are going to come in handy for you. Pretty much when it comes to the 2H, your vehicle is going to stay in that feature on all your normal drives. Dry pavement for the most part. Dry pavement, I'm sorry, for the most part. 4H, you want to use that, and I'm only speaking strictly on weather conditions. I'm not really speaking on like off-road and stuff like that. If you're into that, that's cool. But weather conditions, me personally, I live in Michigan, so we obviously do get snow and things like that. So for like I was saying, the 4H, you want to use that like if it's light snow, or maybe if it's ice or something like that outside. And then 4L, you want to use that when it's heavy snow. You know what I'm saying? When we got, a few inches of snow or different things like that, it's the best time you want to use that. But like I said, you can also use the 2H and the 4H and the 4L for like off-roading situations. Say for instance, if you like in heavy mud or heavy dirt or something like that, heavy sand, you'll want to activate the 4L. Or if you just like I said, if you in light, slippery conditions, heavy rain possibly, you might want to throw it in 4H, just for a little bit of added traction and things like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, let's show y'all how to work this feature. So for, like I said, 2H, your vehicle is going to be in 2H for the most part throughout majority of your drives. But switching it to 4H, how you want to do that is either have the vehicle in park or in drive. Either one work. And real simple, put your foot on the brake, park and drive, or vehicle's already in park. So I'm in 2H. All you do is you just pull it down to 4H, and it might be a little a little pull on there. It's a little bit easier when you're driving like in slow when you're driving at slow speeds, but when you just park, it's a little bit more of a challenge. But just do it, do a little pull, and that'll put you in 4H, as you can see on the screen here, showing 4H. And it's real simple to put it back. You just push it up, and now we're back in 2H. So let me get the focus. There you go. 2H, 4H. And like I said, you can do this while the vehicle is in drive or in park. So I put the vehicle in drive. Now it's back in 4H. And then push it back up. Now it's back in 2H. Yep. Now for the 4L, it's a little bit different. You actually got to have the vehicle in neutral. And what you do is you put the vehicle in neutral, and then you're going to switch this over to neutral, which is what that little N is right there. So you want to switch that over to neutral. Put the vehicle in neutral first, then you switch this to neutral, and then you'll be able to put it in 4L. And it's only going to be able to do that while the vehicle is in neutral. It won't work for park and drive. Only the 2H and 4H will. So you just put the vehicle in neutral like that, and drop it down to 4H, slide over, and then pull it down to 4L. That's neutral, and That's 4L. So I'm gonna do it again. Put the vehicle in neutral. Drop it down to, or drop this gear to neutral. And then drop it to 4L. As you can see, vehicle's in 4L. Now it's in neutral. And back in 2H. So real quick, just to show y'all one more, go through all of them. I'm gonna start out with the, like I said, it's already gonna be in 2H, so let's just say 4H now. Once again, they can either be done while the vehicle, it's a little bit glary. It can be done while the vehicle is in park or in drive. I'm gonna just leave it in park. We're actually gonna do it in drive. So put it in drive, and now it's in 4H, as you can see there. And then if you want to switch it to 4L, like I said, put the vehicle in neutral, drop this down, that'll be neutral, and then one more, that'll be 4L. Alright, so put the vehicle back in park and we good. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it. You know, for me, when I first got this truck, it was the first time I actually had a vehicle with something like that, so I didn't know what the heck I was doing at first. Myself, I had to check out a couple of YouTube videos, Google a little bit, but it's pretty simple though. Pretty simple. Like I said, depending on the weather condition is really when you're going to want to play with those. If you live somewhere warm where it doesn't snow, then you really probably won't ever have to worry about that unless you're going off-road or something like that. Me, I don't know. Y'all might catch me in an off-road video. You might not. I don't know. But I'm just, like I said, for the most part, I'm speaking strictly on, like I said, if it's snowing or something like that. Like I said, 2H, you keep the vehicle's already going to be in 2H for the most part. So that'll be for that. 4H is if, like I said, if you got like light snow, maybe it's some ice outside or something like that. Maybe if you go, or if you're going off-roading, sand, little light mud, then you put it in 4H for a little bit of extra traction. And then 4L, if it's heavy snowing or something like that, or if you going heavy mudding or heavy dirt, something, you know, whatever, you throw it in 4L, and that'll give you the best traction. Yeah, man, and that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Look, appreciate it if you watched it all the way through. If it's your first time to my channel, once again, go ahead, hit the subscribe and notification bell. That way you stay in the loop of my videos. Go ahead, hit the like button, leave a comment. And as always, keep it real with God and keep it real with yourself. Shalom.